At War Memorial Park in the rain, and people are all, hundreds and thousands of people here waiting for a drone display in just over an hour. So it'll be nice to be well soaked before the display, so we can watch. Let's hope these clouds up there can go over and we can do without the rain. But first of all, thank you for watching, liking, sharing and ringing the bell, and a big thank you of appreciation to all those who have subscribed. So thank you so much for that. And if you haven't subscribed, then why not subscribe? And you're going to get a little bonus. You're going to make an old man tremendously happy today, despite the rain. Well, the worst that can happen is we get wet, so it's not a major problem, is it? I know for some it is, but if we get wet, we get wet. Now, and this is only just a short one. We'll be showing the drones later on, once it gets dark. I'm told there's a good sky tonight for drones. I don't know how they cope with the rain. I can't fly mine in the rain, but I should say there's a professional one, so there we go. Such is life. There's St John's ambulance doing a grand job, and I don't know where that picture is they've got there, somewhere across Coventry, a nice picture of a sunset over Coventry. Everybody here waiting for the drones, so I'm going to say thank you for watching and bye from War Memorial Park in Coventry, United Kingdom. And wherever you are, I hope your weather is a little bit better than ours. So bye, and thank you to all the subscribers. This is the Rambling Rambler saying goodbye from Coventry.